Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. This is a text file and this is a folder called destination. I'm going to copy that text file into there. So let's start the program, shall we? So I'm going to create a subroutine called copy move. I'm going to create a path to my desktop. I'm going to do chdir, change that directory to the path. This is the path to my desktop, it's not the path to your desktop. So you will have to find your own unique desktop path. Okay, so we're going to print a message to the user. Enter file. Okay. And then we're going to do some standard input. Get the input from the user. Chomp my scalar file, assign that to standard input, and what we're going to print another message to the user because we're going to ask the user where they want to save that file. And let's say path to save. Okay, we're going to do some more user input here. Chomp my scalar and I call it destination, I think. So yeah, my scalar destination. I'm going to assign it to standard input. Okay, so the user will type in the name of the file and the destination that they want to copy it to. Now we're going to come down onto the conditional called if, and we're going to use this to find out if it matches. If there's a match with this file and scalar destination, if they exist, and of course we're going to go ahead and do something. So if the file exists and the destination exists, we're going to go ahead and do something. First of all, we'll tell the user what's going on. Copying. Okay, we'll do a little pause using the sleep function. We'll pause it for 1 second, so the program looks like it's whirring away. And then we're going to use this command, copy. And we're going to do the scalar file to the destination. So we'll copy this file now to its destination, and then we're going to have a little generic error message if something goes wrong or die. We're just going to say couldn't copy file. It's a very generic message there. Nothing too serious. Okay, and if it has copied, then we'll tell the user file has been copied. So just tell the user that we've copied the file. Made a little mistake there. Okay, that's better. or else we'll use this catch-all here, and we'll just give them a little error message. Print, let's say, either scalar file doesn't exist or scalar destination doesn't exist. Okay, so what's the name of my file? It's called web.txt. Okay, let's just save that and call the program. Copy move. Enter the name of the file. It's called web.txt. Enter the path. It's going to be C / users. We call it destination. Hit enter. Copying. Seems to have popped up a little problem there. Okay, I've refactored the code a little bit, so I've called this dest here, scalar dest, and of course we're looking for the file, and I forgot to do the directory there, which is destination. So if the file exists and a directory called destination exists, we're going to print copying, and that's basically, I've just refactored that little bit of code. So hopefully, cross our fingers, it should work now. Let me just run that. Okay, let's type in the name of the file, web.txt. Enter. Copying file has been copied. So let's go and take a look, shall we? So that's the file, that's the destination, and there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.